Professional measurements and floor plan coming soon. Charming brick ranch with endless possibilities. Welcome home to this one-story brick beauty featuring 3 bedrooms and 1.5 baths, nestled on a lovely lot with a spacious yard perfect for relaxing or entertaining. Step inside to a living room with beautiful hardwood floors, and a nice spacious, functional kitchen. The bathroom has a nice walk-in tub. Enjoy the convenience of a main-level laundry room, no steps required. The room next to carport and off-kitchen is unheated space and laundry area. Downstairs, a full unfinished basement offers incredible potential. With a half-bath, single-car garage, and multiple rooms ideal for a workshop, hobby space, or extra storage, this space is ready for your vision. Whether you're a first-time buyer, downsizing, or looking for a solid investment, this home has the space, charm,